I'm super excited about this purchase because I've never owned a brand new sewing machine. I've always, the last one was from my mom, but my mom's friend had it before that, so it's been through generations. And yeah, now I have something that I can pass off to potentially my boys or my girls in the future if I have any more girls. If I have a girl, I don't have girls. Welcome back to this week's video. I wanted to show you guys a zero waste upcycled idea, and it's just so that you can take your utensils and your straws with you on the go. So that's my issue, is that I don't have a place for them in my bag, and yeah, I overuse plastic, and I do say no straws, but a lot of the times people just give you straws. So now I'm going to be making my own kit, and I want to show you how I make it so that maybe you can bring your own straws and utensils with you on the go. So yeah, and then as well, back here I actually got a new sewing machine. So I should have bought it a while ago, but I hope to be doing more sewing projects, and then yeah, maybe more giveaways in the future, which would be really cool. So that is, there we go. It's the Singer, and it is the Singer Heavy Duty. I don't know if you can see that. Singer Heavy Duty. And I got it for around $200 on Amazon, which was a pretty decent price, and I wasn't wanting to spend too much on a sewing machine. And this one with the heavy duty, and people were saying that they could sew through like 10 layers of fabric, which my other machine probably could only do like 3 or 4. It was just getting old. I was lacking most of the foots for the sewing machine, these foots. So yeah, I'm super excited. And if you want the link to this, I will link it in the description box below. It is an affiliate link, so if you do purchase the sewing machine off of Amazon, then I just get a little commission, which is really nice. And the nice thing about it, it's a metal frame, like inside metal components, and it's heavy, which is really awesome. It's durable, but probably not really suitable for like if you're traveling with it, like walking around, stuff like that. So yeah, let's take a tour of the sewing machine before I start on our project. So this is the sleeve that it comes in, which is nice. I am putting it on top of my fridge because I'm scared that my boys will get into it and wreck it. So that's the foot it comes with. It's plastic, but that should be okay. And yeah, it's really nice. Very simple, lots of simple features. It has 32 stitches, and there's your needle position, your width, your length, tension dial. So I'm just going to open the instruction manual here. It comes with one, and it comes with, let's see. Okay. So, it comes with an instruction manual there. Alright. So it is this, the sewing machine. Which one is this? This is the Heavy Duty 552 Heavy Duty. The instruction manual there. And it also comes with preparing the machine and the bobbin thread. So it gives you a nice simple guide. So I will get this all set up here. I'll just show you guys what I'm doing. So we plugged it in, you turn it on, and then here is where the bobbin, so it's telling me that I should pull back, and this pops up. Maybe I push. Okay, that's nice and clear. There's your bobbin, goes up there, and this cap goes on top. This way, it's telling me to go, and then that way. Okay, that's that. Through the top hole, and here, to push this over. That off now. We don't need that anymore. Lightly press on the pedal. Amazing seeing. I was actually doing this with my drill and a chopstick for a few years now. So you push the bobbin back, snip. So the thread is running like this, counterclockwise. Then we have to pull up. And we put the thing back on there. And keep the thread straight. Put that back in there. I'm going to take it off of the bobbin binder. And hook it through here. Numbered. Okay, so this goes 4, 3 goes down, 4 goes up, 5 across, 6 is under here. There we go. Super simple. Oh my goodness. Behind the needle, a little space. Okay, and that's it. Oh, it actually has an automated threader hook. Oh, that's pretty cool. Not automated, but oh, this, cool. Good to know. Then we're going to wind the bobbin clockwise. And it's going to pick up our bobbin thread. Just kind of lift up. And there we go. This machine is so simple. Wow. Okay, and underneath, back in there. And now we're good to go. So right now I'm just going to sew all along here, and then up here, and then I'm going to stop, and then I'll turn it inside out. There. Ooh, that's nice and strong. Reverse. Reverse. Okay, so my only mistake here so far is that I should have rolled this over, and yeah, otherwise it's gonna fray a little bit. So that's what it looks like, and I already marked some lines going down here in really light pen, like a pen, but you could use a fabric marker, whatnot. So I'm gonna do, this one's 4 inches, because these are gonna be my spoons. This is 3 inches, it'll be my forks. This is 2.5 inches for my knives, and then this will be my little one for the straws and straw cleaner. So just adjust it to what you need it for, and I'm doing it at family size because, yeah, just for family outings. Now we're just going to run going straight. I'm going to back stitch on the bottoms and the tops just to secure it. Well, I've sewed it all up, and I actually put all of the cutlery in there so it all fits nicely. As you can see, I've got my spoons that kind of hidden in there, forks, knives, and straws. And the one thing that I thought was missing, when I fold it up, let's start with this end, fold, and tuck those in. Then I'm going to put some string on this end here. So the 2 pieces there, and then one will go backwards, and one will go forwards, and then you just tie it up. So that's what I'm going to do next. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make your own zero waste cutlery pouch. So it holds your spoons, forks, knives, straws, and your straw cleaner, really chopsticks, whatever you want to put in there. I myself am trying to reduce my waste where I can, and I know this is one area that I can do better at. So this will just toss it into my bag, and when I want to open it, this is a family size pouch, so it's actually pretty sleek. It opens up like that, and then you have everything that you need in there, right? So that's so cool. Super easy to make. There's so many different varieties of making your own cutlery pouch. Just do whatever you really like, whatever suits your lifestyle. I feel like this suits ours because we are a big family. So those single ones don't work for us, but you can always make this smaller. If it's just you or just two of you, make it bigger if you got a bigger family. So yeah, that's it. And then it just ties up really nicely. Just throw it in your bag. And that's the thing, you just gotta remember to take it with you. That's usually our issue here. I'm pretty good at bringing my cloth bags to the store and my produce bags, bulk food bags, but yeah, this is definitely a new step in the right direction for a better future for our planet and our children. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay.